This little one is 1-year-old Mary Elizabeth. She loves canned food. She's playful too, loves people, and she is new to Noah's Kingdom. Stop by and meet Mary Elizabeth. Mary, come here. I'll give you your food. Come here, sweetie. Well, she's on to another mission. We'll give her some toys or something to do. Stop by, meet Mary Elizabeth. She's going to go explore. Thanks for watching her video. She's 1 year old, up to date on her shots, and is looking for a forever home. Mary Elizabeth is fixed. She's up to date on her shots. And you can find her right here at Noah's Kingdom Humane Society, located at 161 Washington Avenue Extension in Albany, New York.